Now, trying to answer a very important question, and this question is all around bones in the head and neck. Okay, bones in the head and neck. So I'm trying to say how many bones are in the head and neck. Okay, so we could say how many bones are in the neck differently, how many bones are in the head region of anatomy differently. Then later on we sum them up. Okay, so it could actually be a very important question that they could ask you in an interview, they could ask you in an exam. So this is a head and neck anatomy. So that the bones of the human head and neck together, you could say that if you sum them up, you are basically talking about the upper portion of the axial skeleton. So what's the breakdown? So for the skull, you have the cranial bones are about 8. We have the frontal bone is 1. We have the parietal bones that's on the side of the head. One on this side, one on this side, there are 2. We have the temporal bone, which is kind of like behind the zygomatic bone. One on this side, one on that side is 2. We have the occipital bone at the back is 1. We have the sphenoid bone is 1. We have the ethmoid bone is 1. Okay, we are still talking, right? So you can see that's what the cranial bones are, total of 8. Have you heard that number? So let's go. So on the face, if you are talking about the human face, we have the lacrimal bone. Okay, we have the nasal bones. These bones up here, they are kind of like separated but fused together, so they are 2. Okay, lacrimal bones are 2, zygomatic bones are 2, maxillar bones are 2, palatine bones are 2, inferior nasal conchae are 2, Vomer are 2, mandible are 2. Okay, so other bones in the head and neck include the auditory ossicles. There are 3 in each ear. That's the Malleus, the Incus, and the Stapes. Okay, so we also have 2 Malleus. That's for the auditory ossicles. 2 Malleus, 2 Incus, 2 Stapes. We have the Hyoid bone, head and neck. Okay, so located in the anterior neck, unique because it's not joining with any bone. So on the cervix, that's on the cervical vertebrae. You have about 7 of them. You have the atlas, you have the axis, then we have the C3 to the C7, which are kind of like typical cervical vertebrae, but with the C7 having a longer spinous process. So total count is about 22 bones in the cranial and the face. Okay, auditory ossicles about 6, hyoid bone is about 1, cervical vertebrae is about 7. So totally you could say that we have about 36 bones in the head and neck region.